Yo. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties with the mic. We can go through it again. The mic should be working now. Wait a second. So what I was saying for this move is it's quite bearish right now on the way down. You have this red candle and then the second red candle. This one should continue lower. It's not really hit a support yet. Support's probably 1925 area. And then when you break it down on the hourly, you got it breaking below the previous 2-hour candles. And the 30-minute too. The 30-minute has broken quite a few candlesticks. So with this kind of momentum, I'm anticipating move lower. And now I think I'm gonna take a gauger position of like 50% of my total position right now, and then take 50% lower. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. So I'm gonna take 50% of my position at the moment right now, and then I'm gonna have 50% down here. So right now I have a gauger. This sell stops. I mean, the sell is executed at what price I get? 31.10. With the stop above the wick over here. This is a half position, and then I have my other half at 28. So my average would be about 29-ish. And then the take profit is going to be 29.50. Yeah, then take profit is going to be around 26. I'm not going to go full 40 pips because I feel like the move's already been done today. But I mean, the move, there's still like a little bit more room for it to go, especially with New York volume kicking in. And then honestly, we'll see what Fed Powell has to say today. I feel like he's gonna end up moving the price quite a bit at 8 o'clock. But yeah, 1926 is the take profit. If it breaks below, you're gonna get that impulse to sell. It's about to do it. There we go. This is why you play both sides on gold. First, I had the long bias, and now I'm on the short side. So let's get Chad in here. He's back from his vacation. What up? How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good. I'm in the short. I wanted to long it, but then I was like, nah, I gotta short it first.
That's dope. Yeah, I'm looking at Euro USD. It's breaking down, so I might enter on the wick up, but I'm gonna see.
Dude, it was nice overnight. Fucking, I was up at like 11 taking this, and I saw actually like one. I saw this, and I'm like, damn, that looks nice for the short. If you had like, but yeah, I think it is gonna head lower, especially.
Sorry, you were up at 1?
Yeah, I had to go to the washroom, but I saw this, and it was a nice short. And right now, it's still a nice short too. I guess you could head lower like 10 more pips once you get the wick up.
Yeah, the 10 minutes for me. I'm gonna see if I can get a wick up there, and then see where the stop is.
Almost got my 40 pips on gold, actually.
Nice.
I was gonna put it at 26, but I saw the momentum going, so I put it at my. Oh yeah, just got it.
Nice. Half position?
Well, I had half on the move up right here. I put half at 31.
Yeah.
And then I got half at 28. So then the average was about 29.50.
Oh, so you got full position short. Nice.
Yeah, full position. But like, yeah, it's not bad at all. No, I just wait. Because, yo, this is big. Powell's talking pretty much like all week, man.
Yeah, it's going to be a pain in the ass, honestly.
Yeah. How you doing, man? Long time no hear your smooth voice in the mornings.
No, it's good to be back, man. Although, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love being on vacation, but
yeah,
it's good to be back. Good to be in front of a computer with more than one screen. Yeah, man.
That's good, man.
Chilling, bro. Just chilling. What's new with you?
Not much. Doing this. That's it, really, man. Nothing happening. It's just Calgary.
Yeah.
It was so smoky. Yo, Saturday we were golfing, so
Yeah,
smoky outside, and it was like humid too. It was the weirdest feeling ever.
yeah.
But yeah, I hope it kind of settles down over the next little while.
I mean, it should.
Yeah, it really should technically.
I mean, I went for a run yesterday. It was okay.
It
I
wasn't
didn't
too
even smell
bad.
it. Pardon
Oh,
me?
so it wasn't too bad yesterday. Over the weekend, it was kind of hazy, like Friday,
Yeah.
Thursday.
I mean, I'm just gonna look at what is it? The weather network to see kind of what the air quality is.
Yeah, fair enough. Yo, I like the if this wakes up, that wouldn't be too bad, eh? If it
Yeah, if
does.
it wakes up, I'm having an order there. That's my plan. 70, 75. Let's see if I can
It's a
understand
nice
this.
head and shoulders right now too.
Head and shoulders.
Well, on the
Yeah.
daily,
Let's see here.
4 hourly.
Up here. How many pips is that? 16 pips. Alright. $6.30. Okay. I'm just putting my selling orders right now.
No worries. You can plan it out. This dropped pretty nice. Wow. 10 pips, yeah. 75, I'm guessing, is your limit order?
Yeah, 75.3. Stop loss is the 30-minute. Is it 30 minutes? No, it's a 15-minute.
Candle.
Yeah, candle. So it'll be at 117.912.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I like that. I feel like if it pops up a bit on this next 15 minute, I might get into. I feel like it has room to go to like 65 at least. It's kind of clean going down here.
Yeah, like my zone. Well, yeah, and like we've seen it tap around the 50 areas quite a bit in the
Yeah,
last 2
exactly.
weeks.
50 area seems to be holding that whole like zone right here.
Yeah. So come on, hit me 2 more pips, but we'll see.
The new 30 minutes opening up right now. Yeah, fuck. I hope it has to move up. I might get in with you.
Oh, let's see what it does. And I can't believe gold's down 1922.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's the way gold moves. I feel like it still has room to go lower. If it starts breaking, what was that?
I'm just saying everything's selling off.
Yeah, the US dollar is getting stronger. I just had a quick look at the US dollar. So that's why everything against the US dollar is selling off.
Oh. No top wick for the 30-minute. I mean, it broke too strong. I still think it's a pull up. It broke too strong. Broke through quite a bit of 30-minute candlesticks, couple of hour candlesticks. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it broke the past like 2 hours, so probably gonna go lower, but fuck, it's a tough SL to have. But in all honesty, I could see this drop like 10 pips right away here too. But then,
Mm-hmm.
but then your risk and reward is gonna be less than one.
Yeah. I'm trying to enter on the wicks and stuff too. What's the TV at? Right now I'm risking 16 pips for I guess 16. If it pulls back up, but we'll see.
I like this pound USD more, to be honest. Might enter it.
USD, alright. Different pair.
Yeah, I was just looking, just going through my check after the gold trade. Like when you look at this US dollar, it's moving up. So anything against the US dollar is going to be a short. And then when I was going to like this green checklist, I have all these watch lists now, metals and indices, and then actual Forex pairs. So now I was going to the pound USD one. I just saw kind of this move, red move down. So I feel like it'll test down here. Same thing with Euro, right? If Euro pops up, then I'll probably enter. Because right now it had that move up, so we'll have to wait and see. Got them both eyeing out.
Yeah. Ooh. You have a runner on gold?
No, I wish. I thought it was gonna bounce at like 1925.
Wow. Yeah, I
But
know.
I
I'm
mean,
just looking. That's crazy.
yeah, that move was because it already had this big ass move at like one during London session. So like even last week I had a nice short, but I didn't take profits. So that kind of hurt me. So I just took profit. My goal this week is just to secure profits every trade. But yeah, no, like you're right about the runner. I should have had it here. But literally it just tapped into my big zone I've had drawn out for like a couple weeks now. So yeah, I didn't know if it could go. Plus this thing kind of worries me, Powell. And I just want to do a trade before he speaks. So
it kind of ruins. Honestly, the full week too. It's insane. Well, he speaks today, and then does he speak today and then testify in front of Congress the rest of the week?
yeah, it speaks today, testifies against Congress next 3 days. But with that, we've seen it move. So yeah.
No, I know. But I think this is the most I've seen him talk.
Yeah, I know. That's why I feel like September it's just been setting up for like a big move, whether it's up or down, right? Like even Euro USD, it could be like a big down move if it starts breaking the supports, or a big up move if it starts breaking above too, right? Gold, same thing, breaks below here, you get the nice wick fill. And then break above here, you got a clean move to like 2000. So you're pretty much set on like both sides for both pairs right now. And did you think it hit?
6 more pips. Half a pip. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
It's like right there.
75? 75.3 you said, right?
Yeah. That's wild. Ah, man.
Nice.
Oh. I'm hoping it'll be nice. Trades in. Back up. Let's see what it does now. Oh, we still have 20 more minutes.
Here, let me draw it out. So that's your trade right now?
Yeah. 16. Yeah, that's 1-for-1. Yeah.
Well, technically, with the break below on the previous 30-minute, this next 30 minutes should continue near the end.
It should.
According to Wicks Don't Lie and Uncle Ted.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, the 30-minute broke so many levels in one candlestick.
Yeah, even if the 7 o'clock, if it opens lower, I feel like that's a good point to get out.
Yeah.
Because with this hour finishing pretty bearish, breaking levels, yeah, the next hour should at least go down. Even if this one doesn't, I feel like the next hour will.
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna try to get out of the trade before 8 o'clock.
Yeah, no, 100%. Before Powell speaks.
Yeah. Oh man. Not gonna be fun.
Oh man, this is continuing. Oh, that's a good runner there. Ah, fuck it. Yeah, no, it's all good. The real move ain't happening yet. The real move is gonna be like if it breaks below all these wicks, dude. That is like 4,400 pips. So that was
Well,
just
I mean,
my.
with gold, I'm not gonna say that's not impossible.
No, dude. That's why like I'm not even worried because right now you're still in this big traffic area, and then yeah, if it bounces here and goes up, that's what I prefer. Kind of bounces around here and then heads up, depending what Powell says. But if it
Yeah.
breaks below here, then yeah, that break below the big ass wedge is gonna get all the way down to the wick fill eventually. Wait, there goes zero. I just have that popping up.
It's going a little bit. It's not too much. It's just chilling. I just need that big candlestick.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm on 10 more pip or no, 9 more pips. Let's go. Oh man. Did you watch the game yesterday?
I watched a lot of games yesterday. Football,
Did
man.
you
So
watch the Lakers?
yeah, I saw the last quarter of it. It was crazy.
Oh,
I saw the second quarter and fourth quarter. in between football. But that last shot
Games are
by
you
80,
watching?
huh?
Football?
Football and yeah, basketball. But dude, that 80 shot was crazy. That was so nice.
So crazy, man. I give it to Denver, man. They are so chippy and they're just so good, man. With Joker.
Yeah, they just don't go away, man. I don't think they will the whole series.
Out of all the teams, I would say that if Lakers, even if we had a 3-0 run, I still wouldn't be comfortable until we put them to bed.
Yeah, but LeBron and AD are playing at a different level right now. This is what like championship players play like. Not like what Kawhi and Paul George did last series. That was just so bad.
Oh, I know.
That was so bad.
It's wild, man.
But that's why I think the Lakers are winning this year because whoever comes out the East is already going to be beat up, man. That series is
Well,
crazy.
I don't know though. The Heat's only lost 2 games in the playoffs.
Yeah, but I'm saying this series will take a toll on them physically because like they both play pretty aggressive, Celtics and
Yeah.
Heat. So whoever comes out is gonna be like beat up, and when they face the Lakers, like in reality, Boston doesn't have anyone to match up with AD, but
Yeah.
Miami does. They got Bam, but even with that, I feel like
Is
they're
Bam
gonna.
really lengthy?
Yeah, he's pretty lengthy and he jumps high too. You saw that block on Tatum, that dunk.
Oh man, that was
Yeah,
like the game-winning save.
that was sick. But even with that, man, I feel like, yeah, no, they're gonna be whoever comes out the East is gonna be like tired. So the Lakers, I
Yeah.
feel like the Lakers are gonna win like 4-1 or even sweep 4-0.
Yeah.
I feel like the next 15 minutes is gonna go down. Looks pretty bearish on like everything.
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
Just
Waiting for
chilling.
it to play out. Best trades are when you're just having to manage the stop loss and your cores out.
That is so true.
Ooh.
Where's Throwbacks at? Throwbacks was here all last week. Let's say.
Good on him. Props.
Yeah.
Do you take any trades or what?
Did he take trades? I don't think he took trades. No, he was just watching and learning. He was talking about his Tron casino.
Oh,
Good old
how's that
crypto.
going?
So it's going good. Took a loss, and then I think he took a pretty big gain on some random thing. If he's here, he'll tell it. I think he'll be on it soon. It's going, eh?
Yeah, it's going.
Slowly, it's going.
Slowly, yeah, exactly. I'm just nothing we can do besides, I don't know, maybe the market's doing something. But just chilling, man. This could also flip bullish. So, did it give the 10 pips? Yeah, probably did. 10 pips. Oh, 9.4. How awful. And next candlestick. Or the one after. It's a couple more minutes left. Alright.
I feel like 7 o'clock open, you're gonna get the impulsive sell down, and then chill for the rest of the time until Powell starts to talk.
Oh yeah, I think I'm just gonna read cue cards or something like that. Because honestly, that guy's wild.
That guy's wild.
He is, man. He has so
Oh
much
man,
power, and I just want to show.
who knows what he's gonna say, right?
I don't want
Like,
to be affected by either his positivity or his negativity.
yeah, that's true, actually.
Just draw. How many more pips? 6 more pips?
Yeah, it looks like 6 more pips for you. It's almost there. It's like just need that New York Open volume push or something.
Yeah. Come on, 59.4. Let's go. 5 more pips. 5 more pips.
Nah, it looks good. I feel like 7 o'clock, just from looking at it, is gonna open like that, and then do some weird shit until Powell talks, and then go that way or go that way.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I do feel like 7 o'clock will open up lower, and then it'll go directional after.
Yeah. I almost feel like I want to break even the trade.
Not a bad idea.
Actually, yeah, why not? Because if I did, then even that means I would have gone stopped up. It flips bullish.
Yeah.
Which is kind of, I don't know, kind of whack. You know what? I will. Yeah, I'll just take it for what it is.
Because if it breaks 75, then it breaks the 30-minute high. So yeah, like, why not?
Honestly, yeah. I've just
even give it like a pip if you wanted to move, or a pip room to move or something.
So yeah, my stop is at 76.
Nice.
So I mean, yeah, if I take a loss, yeah, it's mostly going to be a loss from commissions, but that means that this candlestick will flip bullish, which I'm not down for anyways. This third. Oh,
I think it's good. I feel like, yeah, 7 o'clock open. Once the impulsive sell comes, it's gonna be the move, and then just chill.
yeah, just chill and watch Powell tell us about everything about the economy.
Tell us about life too.
America has lost its way.
Yeah, it has. America's kind of fucked. I don't know how else to put it.
YouTube, where's our channel at? I'm actually telling my cousin about our channel, so.
Nice. Do you guys have a lot of good food in Vancouver or what?
Good food, yeah. Ramen was. When you go to Vancouver, man, go to Ramen Butcher, so bomb.
Ramen
Go
Butcher.
see. Went to Miku.
Nice.
Oh, I'd say go to what is it, Stanley Park.
Mm-hmm.
I know you don't bike, but I mean that place, even for like
A walk.
strolls around the seawall, is bomb.
Yeah, no, that it would be pretty good.
Yeah. All in all, just it's just good time. Just good food. Like the spa was bomb.
Yeah.
Like I honestly would love to have like a steam room with eucalyptus and like menthol flavor.
They have that open, eh? That's sick.
Yeah. And then, and my favorite thing, believe it or not, is jumping into the cold pool.
Yeah, the cold one's nice, especially that stream coming on the back of your neck or something.
Oh yeah,
that's pretty
and
nice.
The thing is, you can't walk in there. You have to jump. For me, anyways.
Oh yeah, you can walk in.
You can, but I'm just saying, like for Cecilia, she became hesitant walking in because it's so cold.
Oh yeah, then you gotta go head first, right?
You just gotta jump in. It's so good though. And I have a challenge with my cousin too. I don't know, we were playing, when we went to his house, we were playing poker, and we had these challenges if we lost. And oh man, I think all together we had challenges between the boys and the girls.
Mm-hmm.
And we did roughly, I think like that night, 700 push-ups. And then also me and my other cousin Eric ran 12 flights of stairs, down and up 12 flights of stairs.
What kind of challenge is this?
Well, I mean, I won in poker, but then I lost in big two, and my challenge, because I was the first one to get out on big two, was to run the stairs. Which I kind of wanted to because I didn't do cardio, but yeah, 12 flights of stairs, I did that in 1 minute and 38 seconds.
That's pretty good.
Down and up, yeah. So it was good exercise, but yeah, that was seriously leg burner, I tell you.
It's a pretty interesting challenge to do, man, on vacation.
Yeah.
But I guess you wanted the cardio anyways, right?
I gained 4 pounds. So
nice.
I needed that.
Yeah, you need cardio, especially eating and chilling there. But did you have a wine? Did you have wine by the fire pit at the spa?
Wine at the fire pit at the spot? No, I did not.
Oh damn.
No, I did not. We just had it in the room actually, but no, I did not have it.
Nice.
Unfortunately. I'm just adjusting the stop to give it a little bit. What the hell? Wow.
What?
Yeah, I just messed up.
Did you exit it?
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
5 pips. Trade's done.
Well, I still have the rush, but that was
whatever. At least you got profit out of it.
What should I get out? 60. Nah, man, I don't want to get out. Alright, well, stop loss there. $17. TP. Oh, that's insane. Oh. I'm just gonna wait and see if this 30 minutes gonna flip. 5 minute, 10 minute, 15.
Damn, that had a nice run up. That was weird.
That was found some support, I guess, but it is what it is.
I feel like it's just setting up for the next hour here.
I changed my stop to 76.8. We'll just wait and see. Let's chill out. You're looking at any trades?
No, I was looking at pound USD and now I'm just chilling. I don't know. It's like, yeah, we'll see. Because Powell's talking, that kind of just turned me off from any trades right now.
Yeah, I feel you.
I really want to have him say something and then just, fuck everything up. Good old Powell.
Yep, that's what he does. That's what the man does.
That is exactly what he does. Euro looks nice. Hour finish,
Yeah,
little
I
wick
mean, higher
up.
time frames, it hasn't broken structure.
No, that hour finish and now the wick up. I feel like Euro looks pretty nice for the short side.
Yeah, it was 15 minute, yeah, and closed with a bullish candlestick, but it didn't break market structure. 30 minutes still closed bullish, so.
I feel like when it breaks a low, I might enter and then have a stop above the high.
Who knows? Please just stop me out. It's 2 more pips or 3 more pips.
Damn, that
Yeah,
ripped up. Yeah, I was about to say, fuck, that was a crazy rip.
oh man. Oh, it did move to 10 pips, so I just should have. Yeah, should have stuck with 10 pips. I wanted to be above there. Tough. trade was like break even-ish. So it is what it is.
All the way to 80. Wow. That's too insane.
Nice. I'm glad I at least broke even. It's sort of. But yeah, I know the 10 pips were there. Pull back up. How many pips they give? Yeah, gave 11.8 pips. Damn. Wow. If we're out of here, 10 pips. It's not bad. Yeah, I think I could have gone for 10 for 10.
Yeah, I think the 10 pips was there for sure.
Because from my zone and stuff, yeah, it was above my zone. Yeah, that could have been it for the next time.
.30 broke above previous 30-minute. Yeah, that's kind of. Does the hour have a lower wick? No, not really. Tough one. 5 minutes going up.
I wonder if what's the why I got that drop?
Probably. He's always on that following trend vibe. I think it's about to go. Might have just been a liquidity grab to push lower. But you never know, actually. So gotta wait for the levels to break.
Oh, what a grab. Yeah, I can see it.
We'll see. Yeah, wait for levels to break. But I think if it flips bearish, that would be a good trade to enter.
Like sell stops at what? 1768?
Yeah, get 10 pip, sell down, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah. I think I'll do that too. Yeah, I did grab there to flip bullish in the next half an hour to market open. 68. And my line is at. Yeah, I can see that happening.
Yeah, put in a sell stop at 68 and have the stop above here at like 82. So, or if I went 50-50 like I did with gold earlier. Yeah, I'm almost in.
Me too. Sell stop at 68. Let's just see. And you're putting a stop at 82?
Stop loss, yeah. Let's get this marked. It's almost there, so I think it'll hit. Then yeah, stop loss above here.
Right here.
Yeah, it just got it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think you're gonna get the impulsive sell downwards, get the 10 pips. Basically almost 10 for 10 at this point.
Stop loss. 81? Sorry?
82 for me. Yeah, just above. Yeah, I think 81 is probably whatever. 82. Fuck it, I'll give it a pip. I don't know. I just feel like the hour closed pretty bearish. This one had a nice liquidity grab. I think this is gonna push a little bit lower, just in general terms.
Yeah, that liquidity grab hit my zone.
Yeah.
I've been 2 trades, honestly.
And then get out 10 pips before Powell starts doing his thing.
Yeah.
Right, so 58.
Powell just messes things up. Come on, man.
He does, man. Damn it, Powell.
God damn, Powell. Okay, so it made a new lower low. Great.
Mm-hmm.
We should see a push.
A couple more pips, leave the runner going, and then call it.
Yeah,
I guess.
that's true. I even have a runner.
Fuck it.
I could manually close it out. Actually, I can, man. Oops.
Yeah, you can manually do it if you like double click it.
Yeah.
And adjust the size you want to close, and then it's basically market order for that lot size you want to close out. Should drop here though.
Let me know when you get kicked out, so I'll press 2. At 58, right?
Yeah, it's a 62.4 in now, so 61.6. It'll head down. Patience, man. It's gonna be a patience to let the winner kind of go. I was so tempted at 80, 77 to 80. I'm like, fuck, I've seen the same story every day.
Yeah.
That would have been the entry up here, but fuck it. I mean, this is a safer entry for sure. At 68. That is a risky entry.
It is. This could have just held.
Yeah, exactly.
But I mean, the intraday trend is bearish.
Yeah, easily. Like, it's nice bearish. Even the 15-minute now, pretty bearish. 30-minute, kind of bearish at this support area. But yeah, I mean.
Then you have the 10-minute just close. Yeah, I like it too. The 10-minute. If you look at the 10-minute, that it closed below the previous candlesticks. Just that little peek its head type of deal.
Yeah. That is nice, actually. So it's going to require a little bit of patience, I think. But I think it hits like 50s, in the 50s somewhere. So
yeah, 5 ends. Nice.
This was, this, never mind. I don't want This one looked good. I guess it's popping up now, but fuck.
USD CAD.
It was bound to reverse eventually. Dude, I think the US dollar is on its way down. Or, I mean, on its way up. Or something.
Yeah.
All these moves happening like this. Oh, damn.
It's all good. 30. What is that? Come on, buddy. 58. That'd definitely be a great upper wick.
For the 10-minute.
10-minute, 5-minute. I don't even know. All of them. Let's go.
30.
16 more minutes.
Nah, 15 don't look as nice anymore, but 30 seconds still close. Just close, a red. That'd be nice.
Yeah. 10 minutes. It's forming a support. Futures. Let's see. It's up 0.5%. Yeah, I guess the American dollar is finally
Moving up.
consolidated quite a bit in August. Oh.
I like how it opened. I'll just,
15?
Yeah. Got that nice little move up. I feel like, I don't know. We'll see what happens.
You're only in half, right?
Position?
Yeah.
No, I got a full.
Five, 10.
Damn. If the 30 closes bullish, I'm going to get out 50% at least.
Yeah, I agree.
If it closes bullish, but I mean, there's still 13 minutes. Anything can happen in 13 minutes.
Yeah. I guess for the audience, when you enter like I guess high traffic areas, like entering at the wicks is a lot better.
Yeah, exactly.
Which would have been the 80.
Yeah, that would have been 80. I feel like that would have been the entry, and then the 10 pips would have been a lot easier. Gonna have to
Yeah.
remember that for next time. Because that entry up here was the perfect one. I think, yeah, that was a nice, even 19 pip drop. But on the 1 hourly, yeah, that was a good one.
But I don't know. You kind of expect it to do what Euro did last night.
Drop?
Yeah, like at 1 o'clock when it dropped, cleared out
Yeah.
so many levels. Next candlestick, cleared out all the levels.
Well, yeah, but even it dropped from like 90 all the way down to 60, 90 at like 6 o'clock all the way down to. So that was a big drop it had already. We'll see. Nice. Well, I mean 1 pip, but nice.
Well, any direction going in our direction is good.
Yeah.
So, 10 more minutes till 30-minute closes. 30-minute close bullish.
Yeah, if it closes bullish, I'm out half for sure. At least bare minimum. Closes bearish. Ideal. Still could.
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
Well, I mean, it's almost there. Got 10
Yeah.
minutes, so.
Wonder what Powell's gonna say. It's probably gonna hype up the economy, ain't he?
I mean, interest rates are already low enough. There's nothing you can do there. You can buy back bad debt.
True, true.
You can't do stimulus.
Damn, market's crashing though.
Yeah, markets are going down. That is for sure.
Anything happen overnight or just like?
Oh, everyone's antsy. Probably from, I'd say, what's it, election.
Yeah, I think so. The volatility is gonna be wild and.
I mean, QQQ's got holding at 262. That's Apple. That's...
Hmm, 15-minute went bearish a bit.
Nice.
Yeah, I feel like this move's gonna be 7:30 to 8, and then that's it. And then we wait for Powell to say his stuff. Dude, honestly, I could see like anything against the USD right now just drop. I feel like he's gonna hype up the US dollar or something. Because if you look at the US dollar on the weekly and then on the daily,
Yeah.
breaks above here, then you got like all the other pairs dropping. And then when you go to Euro USD, for example, head and shoulders on the daily, plus this big move, and now we're in this big range. Any direction it has after it breaks out of this range is going to be a nice direction, whether it's up or down.
Yeah,
Right. So
I agree.
yeah, basically like everything, even USD CAD is starting to break out of here. So if it breaks out of here, that's like a clean move up to like 134 too. So I think that's going to be the trend kind of week after consolidation for a while. Yeah, even look, silver is starting to break down. But fuck silver, I'd rather trade gold. Gold's starting to break down. Gold breaks below here, dude. That's a clean move. Damn.
Oh wow, gold. Wow.
The Euro 30-minute go bearish, yeah.
I'm thinking of how best can I do this? I mean, how can I do what I'm doing better than I did last? I'm always trying to improve my performance. I think that's one thing I must continue to do.
Damn, just drop. Nah, I'll drop.
Right
6
here.
more minutes for the 30-minute to close. Need just 6
Right
more
here, man.
pips. Right here, you said?
We just need 6 more pips.
Yeah.
Oh, 5-minute close, nice.
Yeah, it did. I feel like you're gonna get it.
And 10-minute, another. Come on, just push down. 15-minute, if it closes, that's nice. We just need that push down. 7:30.
5 more pips. Yeah, easily. Well, I mean, with the 30-minute closing like this, I feel like you might get an impulse sell, but you never know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going in for. Holy, gold at 1913. Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, the Fed's up to something. They're going to use their cash reserves to support the economy, means they're going to sell gold to support the economy.
I don't even know if they have reserves.
I don't know either. Either way,
They
man.
probably do have foreign reserves, but I'm just saying, like, they just print money, man.
Exactly. Either way, though, if this bounces from the lows, that's good. If this breaks the lows, that's good. If it bounces, I mean, either
Oh, dude, this is a
direction.
break soon.
Oh shit, Euro.
Let's just breach. Let's breach past 60 right now. Come on.
Breach.
Come on. Yeah, I saw 59.
59.9.
Yeah, I'm
Still
gonna get
like
ready.
2 pips away. I'll let you know when. 15-minute closing, pretty nice.
Just go up, why don't you? Wow, it's a turn. I wonder if it's like
Wow, man.
Yeah, it's so wild.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I'll just see
Wow.
how it closes.
Yeah, honestly, I think that's all we can do. Just see how it closes. Yeah, what the hell? That's a fat 1 minute candle. Almost a 10 pip 1 minute.
Right now it's a doji, so I mean, oh never mind.
One more minute, 40 seconds. Yeah.
40 seconds, yeah.
Four, three, two, one. Doji.
That's hard, man.
I know that's tough.
To keep or not to keep?
Be patient.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna reduce half.
It's actually a good idea.
We've already been in this trade for so long. I feel like
Yeah, I just reduced half too. That was a good idea. Yeah, you're right. It is time to reduce half. All of it?
Yeah, I mean, if it was gonna go our way, that should have been it.
Yeah, it should have just went our way. That's true.
Yeah. So, as well.
I'll leave a quarter going. Actually, half. I'm still in half, so I'll move my stop to 78. Now we just wait for the Fed to come in and do its talking.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. Honestly surprised gold's going down so much.
Yeah. It's always going to sell off like that. Just wonder what Powell's going to say. Prop it up or prop it down?
Yeah.
Man, this Euro daily looks nice. If it finishes pretty bearish, the sells are going to be in play.
Yeah. Yeah, that one candlestick wiped out, let's see, on the September 10th, the 14th move. Yeah, it broke down quite a bit of levels. like ultimate sell stop at 117.30. Maybe not. Maybe just wait for a retest.
Wow.
What?
GJ. I wonder if he got short or long on this. I gotta check out his stories after.
You got both.
Yeah, probably. Honestly,
Makes
probably.
money on both ways. You know, guy's a killer.
Oh wow. Nope, never mind. Not wow at all. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put any trades until Powell speaks. Might have to get out of this for like a few pip profit, basically break even overall in this trade.
Do it up. Reduce risk.
Yeah, I got out basically break even overall on the trade. Feel like it's gonna head lower, but Powell talks in 25 minutes, so
Yeah.
don't want that.
Just chill out.
Yeah, exactly. Just chill out. Wait for him to say stuff.
Oh man, that's so funny. I'll just say something on Instagram. Oh wow, is it gonna break down? Looks like it is. Crazy. Yeah.
Oh, is it gonna hit? Oh, it hit.
It's going to.
Needed more patience on that one. Whatever.
But it sucks, man, because like we're worried about Powell.
Yeah, but Powell in reality talks at like 8 o'clock, so I guess could have waited till like 7:50. But that's for next time. Either way, it was a good trade. And in reality, like the wick at, let me get it up here, right here at
Yeah.
80, 75 to 80, that would have been like the better entry than the sell stop. Because then we could have like stayed in the trade, got the 10 pips quicker, and then held the
Is after 7 o'clock.
runner.
Retest. Flip bullish. I'm sorry, looking at 15-minute, but 15-minute. I'm just thinking where to enter. Bullish. They closed red. Retested this. Yeah. Honestly, could have entered after 7:15 close or wicks up. Because it still can break through, so yeah. Did it hit 58 though? Ooh, 58.3.
No, not yet. Gotta wait for the ask to hit 58. It hit like 58.4. I never saw 58 on the dot, but either way, that's close enough.
Wild. 74, yeah. Yep. Oh. Just gotta wait for better entries on my part. Because the trades are there.
Yeah, the trade was there this morning. Even when it broke at like 6, that was like a pretty good one.
That's 6, yeah.
Ooh, gold crash. Yeah, there it hits here.
Yeah. Better entries.
Yep. Definitely need the better entries.
Yeah. What a bounce. Alright, well, I'm gonna go make coffee. I'll be right back.
Sounds good, man. I think we just waited, seeing what Powell says. There ain't not much happening other than that. Dailies on gold's literally about to hit this support. So we'll see how it reacts around this area. Honestly, a move back up, I'm gonna short it. If it does that today and tomorrow, I feel like this is gonna head lower. We go to weekly and then the monthly. Yeah, I think it's time to delete. So let me take a screenshot and then I'll delete it. Just giving ideas to play right when it broke this support. That was a clean short. I keep it up here for now. I'm not trading it anyways. It's gonna be interesting how this reacts. Got 15-minute closing pretty bearish at the moment. So yeah, I think we gotta wait and see how it reacts. My support down here. What is that? Yeah, the lower end of this zone over here. I feel like 8 o'clock you might get like a little move up and then push down, but we'll see how it reacts. Obviously, it's gonna be kind of interesting to watch it. So even if we don't trade, honestly, I'll just watch it and see how it plays out. This volatility was crazy though. This short was nice. The runner would have been very nice, but yeah, it is what it is, right? So I feel like there's gonna be some volatility until Powell speaks. Yo.
Oh, looks like gold's finally. Is it finding a support?
Kind of looks like it, but I feel like this volatility was gonna come anyways, especially with Powell talking soon. Market's probably just chilling and watching it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no one's really gonna do much, I guess. I'm guessing.
Yeah,
For
exactly.
now. Futures. Let's see what's on the news today. Okay, Federal Reserve starts effort to update bank fair lending rules. What's that? Wow, Bill Gates says end of epidemic. Best case probably 2022.
Dude, I feel like second wave is gonna hit in winter. Doesn't it always hit in like winter?
I'm assuming so, just because the cold suppresses people's immune systems.
Yeah, exactly.
Some people's, not yours though. You have crazy immune. I give you props for climatizing. That's
For what?
for
Sorry?
climatizing.
Yeah, man.
Body.
It's a Russian style, man. Just dip
I
yourself
tried
in
to
it.
do that when I jumped into the cold pool. It's so cold, so nice.
I like it though. It's what you need.
Honestly, yeah, like I was like telling her, I was like, yo, if we ever could get one in the backyard, a steam room in the backyard, and a cold pool.
Isn't that what
So
Tony
after, like,
Robbins does? Just like jumps into that.
Yeah. I mean, though, I still go steam room first and then jump. Actually, maybe you should do it the other way.
No, you gotta jump, then go steam room.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it warms you up so you don't get sick. Yeah, that's right. 5 o'clock in the morning, jump in the cold pool for like 10 minutes, try to meditate in that like environment.
Yeah.
Then go to the steam room, meditate a bit more, and then get your day going by 5:30.
Pretty much, man.
Yeah. I'm just looking at like Euro USD when I could have done better, but I think after the 715 candlestick closed, it made a new lower low. It didn't make a new higher low or higher high.
Wait, which candlestick? Sorry, I just got on you.
Sorry, 15-minute candlestick.
Here?
So let me just.
Yeah, you can annotate.
So I'm just looking at here. So this 15-minute candlestick right here didn't make a higher high and made a new lower low, right? And then I was thinking too, just like we have, well, I had a zone drawn here at probably roughly here, where it tapped in. And never got a chance to break above here.
Dude, hold on, that zone that 80 level, that's the exact reason why I was tempted to short that retest. Here, let me draw it.
Yeah.
Like this zone you drew, this thing just taps into it, retests, and then breaks. That was it right there.
And yeah, like if we had entered at the 715 candlestick, let's just say for example, because you're typical if you have one bearish candlestick, the next one probably is going to be bearish, right?
Yeah.
We had
most of the time.
730, we have a liquidity push there. Oops. What is it? Liquidity push obvious here that you see, but your stop from here to here is 10 pips.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure, is it not? Yeah, it's about 10 pips, right? And it hasn't been able to break. And even if it goes up there and retests and stuff, then your trade's not, it's probably not good at that point. But 10 pips at there, you would have gotten it at the first try. And then we could have had, our runner would still be in place right now. Because, yeah, who knows? This could go down to like 50s.
I think it might.
See.
Well, I don't think it breaks today, for example, but I feel like with this red candlestick,
Yeah.
you might get like a wake up to start tomorrow, and then I think it's gonna go down just based off what the U.S. dollar is doing and how the euro tanked over the European session. See,
Yeah.
like the weakness kind of break below here, you're gonna correct some of this move at one point.
No, I agree. What I
Uh,
mean by that is that I think, though, today, well, it's 5 pips away, that it will test 50s.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I
something
think it
50s
does.
area.
But
And I mean, if we had our entry point at what 74, I think is when the 15-minute candlestick closed,
hmm
right there, right? That, like, right now we would have been for me anyways, I would have gone half of my runner out.
yeah, easily.
So then I will have gotten the full position, and then everything else is just whatever the market wants to give.
Exactly. But this zone down here, yeah, I think getting the 50% runner out here is right. But this is a nice move. I think just a little bit more patience on it than the nice drop. So that was either way, it was a good trade.
Yep. No, it's just the waiting game. All right. Well, I'm gonna close my Euro charts. I'm just looking
All right. I'm gonna keep it open for Powell. Just to see what this guy says. What's he gonna do, you know?
He does whatever Trump wants him to do. Federal Reserve. The move by central. Okay, so Federal Reserve Monday kicked off its own effort to update community lending standards for banks. The move by central bank to solicit input on potential rule changes for Community Reinvestment Act comes after other U.S. bank regulators already put forward separate rule updates. It's soliciting feedback on how to update rules to ensure lower income communities are still supported by banks while reflecting the ways technology has changed banking in recent years.
Interesting.
I mean, I get the fact that they're going to maybe lending to poor communities or lower income communities better or more lenient rules. But the whole point is that it's not honestly about lending as much as, like, I think that America's lost. Like, I keep listening to Joe Rogan podcast about Peter Schiff.
Yeah,
And
Peter Schiff.
I totally agree that, like, I think Americans have lost their way, because back then they didn't have income tax, they didn't have anything. Only thing they actually had was tariff taxes pre World War II.
Yeah,
And the
yeah.
reason why they had the tax was it was to fund the war. And back then, people had savings, so they were able to. And even then, when they were trying to fund the war, they only taxed Americans, I think, like 2-3%.
So it's not that much, but they still had funding.
They still had funding, right? And that's what introduced it. Because for a capitalist society, it's kind of it's outrageous
It is, yeah.
to have that much tax, right? And like now taxes are 30-40%. And I think he blames socialism as one facet. And I mean, I can see the argument.
Who Joe Rogan does?
Well, I mean, they both kind of, like, Joe Rogan usually likes to play the other side when he talks, right?
Yeah.
So, socialism is so enticing in its ideals because, like, I mean, 95% of the people in the world are like good people, nice people, and stuff, and want to help out their neighbors. So that's why they find socialism such a inviting kind of ideal.
Yeah, it makes sense.
But also in that case though, socialism doesn't really help because, for example, the more taxes, the more money that the US government prints, that in itself is inflation. And I don't know, and he says he doesn't understand why there is a target for inflation.
Yeah, I don't get that either. It kind of erodes the
Why
dollar,
do you
right?
need prices to go up 2%? Like, or is your target? Why don't you just let the market determine how much like the prices need? If like the materials and resources are scarce, then yeah, the price automatically should adjust.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, first, if the raw materials are scarce and then there's a high demand for that, that in itself should increase the price of the product, not inflation.
It's true. Yeah.
So he says taxes and printing money is essentially another like thing that no one really talks about.
I mean, they
It's
do, but
detrimental
it's
to your average household.
they do talk about it, but it's not really at the forefront of discussions how they do it, right? So
No, yeah, no, and they don't talk about saving. And like honestly,
no
that's what he says built America. Was
saving.
middle class was able to withstand was able to withstand the tax and stuff, or how they built their middle class so big was because of low taxes.
Yeah, it's true. That's how they were able to profit or actually
And that's the true
survive.
capitalism, because he really believes in the fact that capitalists and stuff, like he put it in this way too. He said, okay, let's just say you're a multi-millionaire, right? You have a couple businesses, you're doing well.
Mm-hmm.
But then you get taxed about 30-40% of that income, right? So then he's saying that this is like, okay, well, because that you were taxed as 30-40%, so essentially let's just say you made $1 million net. So now you're about $600,000-$700,000 is what your net is. So your
Okay.
gross was $1 million, your net now is $600,000-$700,000. If that tax wasn't there, if that $300, you would have maybe put it towards a charity of your choice, or start your own charity, right? Put a good cause to something you truly believe in, or better yet, you have had the money to help invest. If your friend or something had an idea for a business, you're more willing to invest that money.
Yeah, you're willing to actually help people out or actually fund different
Yeah.
projects instead of giving it to the
You
government.
let the individual determine instead of having the government, which is essentially, he calls them a thief, from taking money from the rich and not giving it to the poor.
Yeah, basically they take money from the rich and keep it, right?
Yeah,
and they take money from the poor and keep it too.
Yeah, and
Isn't that
honestly,
fucked?
yeah, he thinks the government is grossly too oversized. They
Yeah.
have to reduce their military, which I know no American is gonna want.
No. America just wants guns, violence, and just strong military, right? That's their belief.
Well, yeah, strong military. I mean, especially now, yeah, you do need a strong. I don't think capitalism solves everything, because
No.
there's certain things that you do need government for. Obviously, for like the essential services, which military is one.
Yeah,
Who cares
it
if
is
you have
one.
the best economy in the world? Like, if you don't have like a good military standing, someone's gonna try to take you over.
That's usually what happens in the case. That's why you gotta keep a strong military so you
Like,
can
look
be.
at Eastern Europe. That's how Russia's been able to kind of like meddle in like affairs.
Eastern Europe? Oh yeah, when they like kind of. Yeah.
And it's still going on with like Yemen, like I don't know, some of those countries. I actually don't remember what they're specifically called, but those governments also meddle by like sponsoring terrorist groups.
They actually do though.
Yeah,
You can see a lot of funny.
U.S. government sponsors terrorists.
Yeah. I mean,
call them contractors.
I feel like most governments do, anyways, right?
Yeah.
So
you do need a strong military presence, and capitalism doesn't solve that.
No, it doesn't. Definitely not. Because like with that presence, you actually have kind of power. You kind of have the fear you instill on people too.
Yeah.
So
Oh wow.
I'm gonna listen to this guy for a bit.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I am delighted to be here today, considering the board's proposed advance notice of proposed rulemaking on modernizing the Community Reinvestment Act. The CRA is a seminal statute that remains as important as ever as the nation confronts challenges associated with racial equity and the COVID-19 pandemic. Stakeholders have expressed strong support for the agencies to work together, and the ANPR is intended to build a foundation for the banking agencies to converge on a consistent approach that has broad support. Before turning to Eric, I want to thank the chair for his strong support for the CRA modernization process and his consistent focus on reflecting the interests of the intended beneficiaries and the feedback from banks in a thoughtful and balanced way. I want to thank Vice Chair Clarendon, Quarles, and Governor Bowman for their patient and thoughtful engagement on this process and their constructive suggestions, which I hope are well reflected.
Yo, by the way, who did Joe Rogan say that, or did the guy he was interviewing say
Peter
that?
Schiff
Oh, Peter
said that.
Schiff. Oh, he
He
said
plays the
that.
other side of like why socialism is so like inviting.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Yeah.
The proposal represents a very
Because I thought Joe Rogan said that. I was like,
No,
wait a second.
Joe Rogan's a nice dude. I mean, Peter Schiff is a nice dude too, but he actually has a really like good, strong understanding of economics.
Yeah,
And it's funny how he says that
he's very
there's a lot of
opinionated too,
economics
right?
teaches you kinesiology.
And trying to provide greater transparency and
Kinesiology.
Kinesiology.
To local needs. With
He
that,
says
let me hand it over to
most.
Eric Besti, who embodies all those qualities and has provided consistently exceptional leadership for this endeavor.
Eric, you're muted.
Keynesian.
That's classic.
Keynesian
Thank you
economics.
for pointing that
That's
out to
what
me.
it is.
Oh, Keynes.
Thank
Okay.
you, Governor Brainerd. As you
John Maynard
indicated, the
Keynes.
draft advance notice of proposed rulemaking before you today,
Keyens.
as
Or
the
something like that.
ANPR, seeks to better
Kinesiology. Yeah, I know you. I know what you're talking about.
Iniquities
Yeah.
and credit
So
access,
most of them teach you
the
that.
monitoring
Yeah,
But then,
yeah.
so he says that people that get their
ensure
economics
an
degree, they
inclusive
come out
banking
dumber than
industry.
they were
The
going in.
ANPR
They
manifests
honestly
in this
don't
direction
like,
in
you
three
lose your
ways.
common sense.
First,
That's how he
it
puts it.
strengthens
Yeah, and I feel like you get a
focus
certain
on
bias
lending
towards
and
one
retail
side when you
lending,
do it, right? You
community
lose your common
development,
sense, you get your
and
bias
retail
towards
and
one
community
side, and you kind of have a
services by
kind of
modernizing
tunnel vision
how
towards one
CRA's
side of
core
economics rather
governance
than
is
viewing
evaluated and
both.
measured.
I guess that's what Peter
Second,
Schiff does.
it
He said
updates our
views
approach
both
in light of
sides.
changes to the banking industry
So,
over
he's
time,
the truest
including
believer I've seen
mobile
of
and
capitalism,
internet
which I'm
banking.
very.
And third,
I give him props. I mean, I agree. That's how America was great.
by
Yeah, exactly. True capitalism. That's the way.
And he says that what Trump should have done when he went into
community
office
development
was he was
financial
proclaiming to be like,
and
the
community
guy that
development
was going to
activity
empty
in
the
geographic
swamps or
areas
something.
of need
Mm-hmm.
outside
Yeah,
of
it was to
areas,
cut government spending
including
and cut
Indian country.
departments.
Yeah, that's what they needed, but they never did it.
He even said to cut this, like, I don't know how this was going to be possible, but to cut Social Security.
Yeah, it's not possible. That part's impossible. But like to cut government spending is possible.
Greater clarity
Yeah.
and
But there's
consistency,
like,
as Chair Powell mentioned, about
it just,
what counts for
I think
CRA
back then they were like
how it's taken into account in assigning ratings,
$70 billion
and where
or
activities
something,
will be assessed
or
for CRA
is it
performance.
70 to $700 billion
Staff is
deficit
also
back in the
tailored CRA
19
evaluations.
Dude, the deficit's always gonna go up. I think me and
1960s.
Dylan talked about it
For
too. Like the
example, the
deficit ain't
ANPR
going
tailored
nowhere.
for
No one can.
small and rural
The only
banks.
No,
way
it
to kill it.
isn't. But back then, countries
Staff
were
was
able to
mindful
be
of the
actually at a
importance of
surplus. Even
minimizing data
Canada,
burden
20 years,
and
25
tailoring
years
data
ago.
collection
Yeah,
and
but then you get
reporting
into certain
requirements
recessions or
based on
certain
bank size and
downturns in the
business
economy. What do you have to
Yeah,
do?
and then
Print money
you
more?
shouldn't be bailing out
Staff
people.
conducted
I
No, you
think his main
shouldn't.
argument is
analysis
U.S. government
on a
now
data set
bails
to
out
inform several of
companies.
the
Yeah,
Because
they
they're
do.
too big
as
to
well
They
as
do.
fail.
provide
Well, even the
Cut their
Canadian
budget.
government bails
and
out too.
options
Like you saw what happened with
presented in the
Oh,
ANPR.
I know. I
In
agree.
all the
addition,
And I
stimuluses.
think he said it was Ronald
clear message from
Reagan
all
in
our
his
stakeholder
administration
outreach
when he
efforts
knew
is how
that
central CRA is
what is it,
to the
interest
low
rates
and
were too
moderate
low or
income
something
and
like that.
underserved
He was the
communities
reason
that
why
we
he
intend to
pushed the
serve.
interest rates up to 10,
Stakeholders have
15%.
offered a lot of
Interesting.
ideas on
But
how to
he
improve
said
it
that
and
they were
understood the
able to
importance
do
of
that
getting
back then for the
CRA
fact they didn't have so much
modernization
debt.
right.
Yeah, that makes
Because
sense.
most of their debt
Result
was
in the
20, 30
ANPR
year
that is under
bonds.
consideration today.
So that means if they did
I will
that,
now
like
turn the
the
floor
short
over
term
to
interest
Suzanne
rate didn't have
Killian,
as
who
big
is
of
the
effect
senior
on long
officer
term
leading our
bonds, then
CRA
right now
modernization
where
efforts,
most
and thank her for all
of their
her
debt
work
is in
to
T
bring
bills.
this ANPR forward.
So if you raise the interest rate to 10,
Thank you,
15%,
Eric.
there's no way that the US
Let me
government can
start by
pay
saying
those
that the effort
obligations.
to develop this
No,
ANPR
definitely not.
involves staff from the board
But
and
it's
across the Federal Reserve
pretty
system.
interesting how that
It
works,
is my
anyways,
pleasure
right?
to introduce the staff who will
Oh
be
yeah, they
discussing the
just dug
ANPR
themselves in
and
a hole.
taking questions
Yeah,
and
exactly.
answers.
A hole where you can't really
Ana Alvarez
get out.
Bedi
But
is the senior
even at
officer
that
who
point, you
leads our
think
division's
countries will
community
default on the
development,
debt? I'm pretty
policy,
sure.
and
I think.
research
Oh
branch.
fuck, which country
Joseph Furshine
did
is
it?
the line
Dylan was
officer
saying
of
one of the
CRA
countries has done
policy
it 3
team here
times.
at
Might
the
be like
board,
Argentina
and
or
Carrie
something.
Johnson is the manager of
But
the
every time they
policy
do it,
Argentina,
team. They
Brazil,
will discuss
probably.
the test design
yeah, because
and
every time they
metrics.
do it, the economy does come back. It's just
Zimbabwe.
like
Villanueva is the
short-term
senior
kind of
examiner
I'm
at
pain.
pretty
the
sure
Federal
it's
Reserve Bank of San
Zimbabwe.
Francisco
I don't know if
Back then, their money
Zimbabwe
is
for
have.
worth
assessment of
nothing.
assessment areas
Yeah.
in the ANPR.
But the only
Lisa
way to get
Robinson
rid of
is
all
a
that
senior
debt is to
supervisory
default on it. You
analyst
can't
for the
really
board,
now with all the
and she'll
cycles
discuss the
happening and
treatment
all
of
the credit
qualifying activities
crises,
in the
credit
ANPR.
crunches, all the
Jessica
debt
Farr
being
is a senior
borrowed in the
CRA
world, all the
subject
money
matter
being
expert
printed.
at the Federal Reserve Bank
You're
of
always going to be
Atlanta,
running a
and she
deficit.
will discuss provisions of the
You are.
ANPR
Yeah,
you
intended to
are.
minimize data burden.
But I guess the US
And it
needs to do a
requests comment
like
on how best
better
to
because
job.
every
proceed
country is
with
measured
others the
relative to
proposal
another
seeks to
country.
accomplish.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Dan Ringo from the Division
You
of
know what I
Research
mean?
and
So it's
Statistics
just
is
like
here to answer any questions you may have on the metrics proposals. And Amal Patel from the board will answer any
US
questions
is
you may
too
have
big to
on the
fail,
statutory
and I
purposes
think
of the CRA.
and I think a lot of
As you can
countries
see,
Well, the
we
US
know
can't
that,
fail.
but
system-wide and
pardon me?
cross-divisional effort.
Said the US
With
can't
that,
fail,
I'll
otherwise the
hand
whole
to
world
It
would
Anna,
can't
crumble.
who
fail
will start the
because
discussion
no
of
one
the
knows where to
ANPR with
park
some
their money.
details on
Yeah,
the stakeholder
exactly.
outreach we did that so fundamentally
So
informed our approach. Anna?
Thank you, Suzanne.
and I'm done with this board meeting. It's not really
Done?
doing much. Dude, honestly, I feel like hold on, let me get here. Let's go over everything now that we
Just
saw the
before you
move.
do that, I'm gonna just say a word of the day.
Oh yeah, do that up.
Yare, which is spelled Y-A-R-E. It means quick, agile, and lively. Dismount thy tuck, ye yare, in thy preparation, William Shakespeare. Oh God.
Man,
Never mind.
you're pretty yeah on the court, bro.
Yeah, yare, but ooh,
You're
yeah.
yeah on the court, man.
Spice, yeah, like a year ago maybe, but you know now we'll see.
No, not now.
No, for sure not. But yeah, continue. Let's go past everything.
Alright, you were saying I just got caught up in something. But okay, yeah, no, I was gonna say let's review everything, kind of plan for tomorrow. That's what I was doing last week too. Well, that's what I wanted to do. And over the weekend, kind of plan it out. So like, hold on, give me a sec. I'm just logging my thing right now. So now that like this day is almost done, right? Let's go euro and gold. Let's go euro first. So we played the shorts today, right?
Yeah.
And we could see that in reality, this is heading down if you have to draw head and shoulders.
Yeah.
Hold on, attach it. Whoops. Right? It's something like that right now.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
So with that being said, tomorrow might be like another short play, maybe even overnight. Or if this finishes pretty strong bearish, we've had what? How many weeks of consolidation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of consolidation.
Yeah.
So after 7 weeks of consolidation, there's usually a big build up towards the move, right?
Yeah.
And considering the big move that happened today with all the news and Fed Chair Powell talking, plus when you go to the dollar index is heading up higher. So anything against the dollar usually goes down. So I feel like not today, considering it's Monday, but anything can happen on Monday. It's not hitting on that aspect. But tomorrow or the start of tomorrow, I feel like you're gonna get that wick down and push up on the dollar index, which means you're gonna get the wick up on euro and then like a fat push down. So that's one thing I think we should plan. And even gold too. Now that you look at gold, even with this like analysis that I did, so it breaks below 1940 on high volume, sells to 1930.25 easy. Happened, but after it broke 1925.30, it went into this big ass zone. And right now it's at the bottom of this zone. But if this finishes bearish like this below 1925 without a wick, because you see how, like this for example, it went bearish, but it finished with a wick. So it's not really trending. But if this finishes without a wick on gold, dude, that's heading down. It breaks 1900s. That's clean down here to like mid 1800s. So
No, I agree.
yeah,
That's such a clean move.
what this move down today?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I had this support and it happened overnight, but I mean, it broke it and it went down. Even when it broke the low at 30 when start of the day, it still went down too. And then even when it broke this 1925 area, it went down. But now if it finishes with the red candlestick like this with the big body, that's like filling all these wicks, breaks below the low of like 1910, that's heading down to like mid 1800s. So I think I'm gonna plan that. Maybe I'll try like if it moves up a little bit, maybe get a short between like 1920, 25, and then have a stop at like 1930,
Yeah.
and then kind of plan it that way too. It'll be interesting though. I mean, it's still in this wedge too if you really look at it. So, but yeah, safe bets below here. But yo, you should enter with me if it breaks below. That's a clean move down.
Oh yeah. Nice money to just start off the day.
Yeah, nice. Exactly, man. That's basically it right there.
And you're gonna go 40 pips. Stop loss typically.
Yeah, 40 pips, and then gold is like pretty easy 40 pips. Even this move earlier today, that was a pretty easy 40 pip move. And then yeah, I should have had a runner, but I thought it was Monday. It was just gonna do some weird shit. Obviously, I was wrong, but I just want to apply for tomorrow, and I feel like even Euro too. I feel like Euro is gonna have a sick move tomorrow, man. If it has another red day, if this red candlestick finishes like this,
Yeah.
there is a high chance it's gonna have another red day, and then if it breaks below like 117, that's a pretty clean
Oh
move.
man.
You're gonna correct
So
this move
its
too.
third day, its third bearish day is gonna be crazy.
Third, I say second. Usually two,
Because the
right?
second day will be like, let's just say today it closed. Second day we have a lot of traffic.
Yeah, that's true. This whole area right here.
You might see like I agree with you on like you might see a breakdown here, but then you're gonna see it pull back up to like that's the wrong one. Pull back up to here, right? Have that lower wick for that push down because this is just so clean on the left side there. Like,
Yeah,
this whole
that area is clean move down. Well, even if it breaks below, like here, yeah, I think you get a retest too, and then push down. So something like that. Kind of tap into this whole liquidity area, and push down this whole zone area. But we'll see what happens, man. But I think I'm gonna end the stream now.
Sure, sounds good.
All right, well, fuck. Good to have you back, man. Damn, been a
Good
minute.
to be back, everyone. Good to spit fire. And yeah, I've just been listening to Simmer on the sidelines, so I miss talking.
This talk has been fire. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the stream. Had some good trades today. So.
All right, everyone, take care.